Well, here come the birds. Oh no, wait. They're those helicopters. That's right, I'm still in Phoenix. Beige, bone, white, bland. Sometimes I hear birds, but songs turn into cockfights and the bleached bloodstains become visions of the Virgin of Guadalupe. Another media circus. That's right, I'm still in Phoenix. Where Glenn Campbell and Alice Cooper play golf. 12 Steps to Righteousness. Well preserved in air-conditioned splendor as I choke back the fears and tears in a dust storm. Now my shirt is muddy. Hey buddy, gimme $1 cause I need a quart of malt liquor to wash this shit down. Here in the park, ducks in a row, a wagon train of grocery carts head down to a dry riverbed, and without them those rugged frontiersmen would keel over and the crack whores would go through their pockets. That's right. I'm still in Phoenix. Lay me down to sleep. I wish those lights in the sky would descend and illuminate the entire valley and turn your tears into diamonds, a girl's best friend. I'm dog-tired and I know it's a blessing. Orange blossoms and asphalt, sagebrush and jet fuel. And soon enough a monsoon will wash it all the way down to Yuma, and all the farmers will bite their lips and shake their heads and wring their hands and wipe their brows and pace the floors. Feast or famine. Hand to mouth. Stinking of fertilizer piled high in a 3/4 ton pickup destined to be a rusting heap riddled with bullets. Cause, that's right, I'm still in Phoenix. Toxic, not so bright, devoid. Will work for food. Meat is murder, which doesn't count for much in a county run by cannibals with Glock pistols. And where Rodney King footage is a training film. And the only thing shocking around here is a stun gun. What was I thinking? What was I thinking? Cause there's no room for milk in a silicone tit. No culture less you count the billboards, which rent for about $100 or $2 a month depending on location. Si habla español. And that ain't no bull. You got old bikers with guts out of there, what's left of a nicotine-stained ponytail, and baby's got a skull on every ring in her body. Dude, bro, partner. Hey, knock yourself out. Cutting up lines a cranking a party on the old Easy Rider magazine, in a meth lab with nothing but a swamp cooler. Fucking A. That's right, I'm still in Phoenix, Arizona. Borderline diagnosis. And meanwhile somewhere in a sports bar 3 guys in polo shirts try to impress a topless dancer who's in between jobs. Now she's working under the table so to speak, and they finally get a group rate that's acceptable, and tonight they will lie to their wives. But the score's the important thing when you pull out your manhood and smoke cigars down at the Arizona Center. That's right, I'm still in Phoenix. Here come the birds. No wait, they're helicopters. They get so loud like a mother in my ear call of the wild. I smell pancakes. Top to bottom, keep the sunny side up. That's my bus. I got places to go, catch my bus. Bingo, play bingo. They got a nice buffet down there. That's right, I'm still in Phoenix. There's no room for milk in a silicone tit.